everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the QFX Mini Drone Q2. It's one of these nice little indoor deals. Nice. Let's look at some of the features right back here. Believe it or not, this little thing has a camera. It has headless mode, which we won't use. The Wi-Fi won't demonstrate that. It has Wi-Fi, it has flips, and it's foldable. It does have rates too. It just doesn't say it on here, but it does have those. And it has a camera. You know, sometimes they overdo it a little bit with these things. You know, they try to put as many features as they can on here, so you'll buy it and you'll go, oh, look, it has a camera. But, you know, we know what that's going to look like, right? So let's get it out of the box and look at it. All right, here you go out of the box right here, and it does have a nice 300 milliamp hour battery in it, so that's a plus. And it is kind of stout. You know, when you feel it, when you pick it up, you're going to go, man, that thing feels, you know, it feels pretty solid, you know, which it does. You know, it doesn't feel real cheap, let's put it that way. There's the camera right there in the front, little pinhole camera. There's the on and off switch right there. Let's see if I can focus that in there. And then there's the Wi-Fi antenna right there too, so pretty good. Here's the transmitter. Oh, sorry guys. Flub that up. There's the transmitter right there before I dropped it. And it has 3 AA batteries, which I think is a little excessive. You probably could have used 2 AAAs for something like this, but it has 3 AAs. So, you know, we'll just have to live with that. And then on the top, you know, you have your, on this side is the flips, and on this side is the rates. And that's usually how this is done on these toy quadcopters. When they have these shoulder buttons, usually the one on the right will be the flips, and the one on the left will be the rates. Usually that's how it always is. And then this is the trim, and then over here is the take off and land, and then the headless mode is on one of these. I'm just not sure which one, and return to home. But the take off and land is on the top and bottom right here. And the headless mode and the other ones, it's one or the other. And then here's the sticks. But yeah, I mean, it's okay. But you know, 3 AA batteries, that's a little bit much. Okay, so anyway, there's the quadcopter. Here's the phone holder. Here's the charger, the spare parts, the cover for the batteries for the transmitter, and then the manual, which is, it's okay. At least they give you a QR code for the app. And we're going to turn it on right now to fire up the app. Here's the on and off button for the transmitter. And then we're going to just wait for the Wi-Fi to come in. No, I did lock the white balance, but it didn't lock. Okay. I'm going to try to get the name for you. Okay, here it is. It's called YD-UFO right there. So we're going to let that knack up. And then we're going to go to the app, which is called FYD FPV, which is right down there. And there it goes. You'll see it. I'm swinging the quadcopter around. Let's see if I just have it face me. Yeah, there I am. Yay. So anyway, that's it. The app works. I'll put some video in there. We're going to go fly it here in a second. And then you want to turn off those virtual joysticks right there. You just hit that on and off thing right there. That's how you do that. So yeah, that looks good. Actually, the video looks pretty clear, to be honest with you. Maybe this camera, maybe it's better than the Xeno. Who knows? Colors look a little washed out, but you know, I'm in this LED lighting in here, so sometimes it washes the color out a little bit. So, all right, guys, there you go. Let's go fly it and see how that works out. All right, guys, we're going to take a look at this QFX mini drone with the camera. So we're going to shoot some video. They're offering a camera, so we're gonna test it out to see if it's any damn good. Now, turning this thing on, you need microscopes for eyes to see that on and off switch. So we're gonna turn that on real quick. Okay, we'll do the level calibration, which is down and in. Then we will get the app going. YD-UFO. And there it is. And it remembered from when I turned off the virtual joysticks. It remembered that from when I did the little unboxing thing. So let me get the permissions out of the way with the video. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so let's start some video up. And let's take off. Yay! Hopefully the video's working. I'm looking down there. Oh, yeah, I'm not supposed to be hitting the ceiling while I'm doing that. Well, it doesn't look like the video is working. It's recording, but in the FPV screen, I don't see the video moving at all. Well, we'll just have to see when it's over, right? Because the video, it froze, but it says it's recording. So, I don't know. It doesn't have an SD card, so I better bring it back. Oh, it's always something. Let's land it. Let me stop the video. Okay. Well, yeah, it looks like the app is completely frozen. Okay, there it goes again. Oh, it must have some of the lag of the century. So I would say that this camera is not going to work. Okay, so yeah, okay, so let's just forget that. Let's just forget the video camera and let's just see how it flies, okay? So I'm not even going to go there with the Wi-Fi. So we know the camera's a turd. Okay, so we know that. I'm turning off the Wi-Fi so it doesn't mess around with the signal. So the camera is garbage. Okay, so we got that out of the way. Let's just see how it flies. Flips are great. Flies great. Oh yeah. Flies real nice, guys. Real nice. So the camera is garbage, but hey, you know, you knew that going in, right? You know, why do they even do this kind of crap? Put these kids so the little kids say, oh, look, I can shoot a video with this, hey. Oh, this thing's super nimble, man. I mean, this thing flies great. There's a little bit of delay on that flip there, guys. Okay, so here's the first rate. It's okay. I mean, you know, it's nowhere near as crisp as... Let's check to see if the flips work in the first rate, because sometimes the flips won't work, you know. Yep, they work. It's much more fun to fly it in the higher rate. Much better. This is the second right here. The third rate's a lot quicker. Look at the pitch on that thing. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh, the battery's giving up the ghost. We'll put the flight time in. Oh yeah, if you just want to get this to fly, it's great. It's absolutely great. I mean, nimble as hell, great flyer. Don't buy it for the camera. Don't buy it for the camera. Okay, that's good. We don't need any more. And there it is. It's a classic. And it is a classic. Flies spectacularly. But the camera sucks. So, there you go. Alright guys, there you go. The QFX Mini Drone Q2. It's a legend. Alright guys, have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.